Hello Explorian, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll show you how I made this crunchy, beautiful and delicious kokoro from just guess what, from just Garri. And I'll also show you how to turn this to money in 2026. So if you want to get the full gist, make sure you watch this video till the end. So for this recipe I'll be using just 2 cups of Garri. So I used Garri Jebu in this recipe. So Garri Jebu is very sour, like it's very sour and it's very neat. So I love my Garri to be sand free, and you can get your Garri from the supermarket too. So after then I blended 1 cup so that I can use it as to dust and also to mix. So after blending, then I measured my Garri. So 1 cup is about 134 grams. The full recipe will be in the description section, and as you can see, the costing for each of the ingredients is on the screen. Now this is 1/4 cup of sugar, is about 50 grams. And because I love my Garri to be neat, I don't like Garri with sand, so I'm so skeptical about making this recipe with Garri. But this kokoro with Garri recipe is different from all the ones you have been watching on YouTube, trust me. So I also use about 1/4 cup of milk, which is about 22 grams. So this kokoro was crunchy, did not soak up oil, it is dry, it is delicious. So I also added about half teaspoon of chili pepper, which is optional. And yes, you can sell this, so in this video I'm showing you the costing and everything, and how you can make money even selling this. So you add hot water like you are making eba, very boiling water like you want to make Garri. So after then I added little of the blended one to it also, and you just mix everything together like you are making eba. So in no particular order, I also added a little bit more of Garri. So I thought I was going to need about 3 cups because this is my first time of making it. Here we explore. This is 360-degree baking explore. Now make sure that your Garri is hard. That is the secret to getting the crunchiness that we desire. Make sure it is hard. At this point it was still hot, but now I just had to mold it. It was still hot. So after then you just sprinkle some little blended Garri Ijebu. So this recipe is okay. The only that I observed is that you can just increase the quantity of sugar, maybe to 100 grams, because the Garri is sour. I'm using correct Garri Ijebu. If you're in Nigerian and you're watching this, you know what Garri Ijebu is very sour because it was highly fermented. So Garri is made from cassava, from fermented cassava, and then it was fried, like it was roasted. So after allowing it to cool, so I needed it again, and then it is time to roll. So I first tried to roll it on my palm. It was okay. So if your Garri is hard, you don't need to use oil as lubricant. So I had to transfer it to my table and roll it on my table. As you know, the kokoro from the kokoro making expert will be different from any other one. So if you want me to be your mentor, you want me to coach you on how to make quality perfect kokoro for business, if you want to start a snack business, I'm the best person to coach you on how to make kokoro for business. So you can sign up for my course, for my kokoro mastery course, which is just 10,500 naira, and I'll put you through everything that you need to know even as a beginner, even if you have never done it before. So now you can see that I kept adding more of the blended one, so that I want to make sure that it is dry, it is firm, and it is hard, because I have once made snacks with Garri and it soaked up oil, and I just had to overcome that trauma and make sure that this time I do not make mistake. Like I had to even spread it on my table to for it to for it to also dry, but that is not really necessary. So after then you fry. So now it is time to fry. So make sure that you fry on a medium heat, and make sure that your oil is not too hot. So once you pour your kokoro sticks, your raw sticks there, just leave it for like few minutes for it to separate, and then make sure that you check up on it to stir, so to make sure that it is golden brown, to make sure that it does not over fry or under fry, so it is perfectly ready. Even though some of the sticks are thick, then it becomes crunchy when it is properly cooled. You can see that it's like it is soft, but it is not. So this is how it is. So if you want it to be crunchy, just make sure that it is not too fat. Listen, you see? You can see? You can see that. See? Oh my gosh. If you have watched to this moment, thank you for watching. If you're a new subscriber or you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome to my channel. So if you are looking for the perfect recipe for kokoro with Garri, no fail recipe for kokoro with Garri, this video will teach you everything that you need to know. So after calculating all the cost, I got about 2,291 naira, and I got 1 dozen from this batch. So, and I decided to sell for 200 naira each, so you have a profit of about 100 naira. But if you reduce the size to like maybe 25 grams, you are going to make more profit. Need to know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to keep exploring and make money.
The journey's clear, the best baking coach is here. For you,